How to divide fractions. To divide one fraction by another, we have to go through 3 steps. The first step is to find out the reciprocal of the second fraction. Then we have to multiply 2 numerators and then 2 denominators. And at last we have to reduce the fraction if needed. So let us do that. That is, the rule is like this. To divide fraction, keep, change, flip. Look, keep means 3/5, then change. We have to, division means multiplication by the reciprocal. So reciprocal is 3/2. Just you have to change the numerator and denominator. Keep, change, flip. Now we have to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. Steps 2, right? 3 times 3, then 5 times 2. So we are getting here 9/10. So this is the answer, right? So to divide, how to divide fraction? To divide fraction means we have to multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, let us take the second example. How to divide half divided by -1/3. This is a negative number, right? So we can express this division like this. This means this sign, then 1/3, right? So keep, change, flip. Change, multiplication, reciprocal. So we are getting here, look, top to top 1 times 3 divided by 2 times -1. So we are getting here 3/2 times -1 means -2. We can rewrite this 3/2. That is, you can consider minus with denominator or numerator. Simply we put it in the middle of division bar, right? Now we'll learn how do you divide fraction with different denominators. Here denominators is 3, here 9. So different denominators. So how to do that? The rule is the same. Keep, change, flip, and then multiply top to top, bottom to bottom. So we are getting 9/24. So how do you divide fraction with different denominators? To do so, we have to apply keep, change, and flip rule. Here is another example. How to divide fractions with whole numbers. So look, 1/3, keep, change, flip. Here we can rewrite these 2 as 2/1. So this, right? So we are getting here, look, 1 times 1, 3 times 2, 1/6. How to divide fractions by fractions? The rule is simple. Keep, change, flip, then multiply top to top, then bottom to bottom. So 1 times 7, 7, 5 times 7, 35. Answer.